You checked your weight and you're weighing 84 and you tell yourself you are going to lose this weight and you start working out every day.
2,000 years later.
Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel. On today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you my results from the egg diet, how I felt when I did the egg diet. If you've heard of versatile Vicky, then you would have heard about the egg diet plan that everybody are jumping on. Why are everybody jumping on this egg diet plan? Because you are meant to lose 1 kg a day. How cool is that? A lot of people that are jumping on this diet is because they are trying to lose weight fast. Versatile Vicky said if you do this egg diet for 10 days, you are meant to lose 10 kg. 10 freaking kg. So if you're weighing 85, like me, you start weighing 75 in 10 days. So that's why everyone is jumping on this egg diet. And that's why I jumped on it. I've done it before. I did it some months back, but I was meant to do it for 10 days. But on the 7th day, I felt like I was eating too much egg. I had to stop, but it worked then. This time, I decided to do it for 3 days because I'm not trying to eat so many eggs. So that's what I'm going to be sharing with you on this video. I'm going to share with you my first weigh-in and then my last weigh-in. I'm going to share with you what I ate during this diet plan. The diet plan consists of eating 3 eggs in the morning, 3 eggs in the afternoon, then oatmeal in the evening with apple. So you can also eat apple during the day if you feel like you are very hungry and you want to curb your hunger so that you don't fall off the diet plan. On the first day, I weighed 84. So at the end of the challenge, I meant to weigh 3 kg less to know if it worked. You know, when you're trying to lose weight and you are doing all you have to do, you are eating less, you are on a calorie deficit and you are still not losing even 0.5 kg. That is when you start thinking, hey, what should I do? I need to see results. And that's why I'm doing this. That's why I did this egg diet, because I wanted to see results. I was trying to lose weight, doing all the exercises, eating right, but your girl was not losing anything. So I jumped on the versatile Vicky egg diet plan, and you're going to see my results shortly. On day 1, I weighed 84 kg. For breakfast, I ate 3 boiled eggs and green tea. This is my lunch. 2 eggs and green tea. I don't know if I can survive on just this, but we will see. For dinner, I ate oatmeal, 1 small apple sliced into the oatmeal, added almond milk, and then green tea. For my lunch, you can see that I ate only 2 eggs because I didn't want to eat too much egg. On day 2, I wanted to find out if I had lost any weight, so I checked my weight and I weighed 83 kg. On day 2 for breakfast, I ate 3 eggs and green tea. For lunch, I ate 2 eggs, 1 apple and green tea, although the picture of the green tea is in here. For dinner, I ate oatmeal without almond milk and green tea for day 2. I ate 2 eggs and green tea for breakfast. Then for lunch, I ate 1 egg and 2 apples because I didn't want to eat more eggs. So I ate 2 apples instead and green tea. I forgot to take the picture of my dinner, but for my final weigh-in, I weighed 81 kg the next morning. At the end of the 3 days egg diet, I was able to lose 3 kg, as you can see. I got the result I wanted. I wanted to lose weight fast. So if you're trying to lose weight fast, you can jump on this challenge. But I am not a nutritionist, so I don't know if it's going to be good for your health. So you need to consult your doctor or check your health history to see if this is something that you should be doing. If not, please don't do it. Also, if you're trying to do this challenge, this diet plan, I don't advise that you should do it for more than 10 days, because even versatile Vicky, when she talked about this diet plan, she specifically said 10 days. So I do not think that doing it for up to 2 weeks or a month or 2 months is actually healthy, even if you're trying to lose weight so fast. It's not healthy for anybody to eat that much egg. You might have an increase in your cholesterol, and it might not be healthy for you. You are not even getting as much nutrient as you need if you are eating just eggs. So I don't think that doing it for a very long time is a very good idea. 3 days, 7 days, 10 days, fine. But when it's going to 2 weeks, I think you might be doing too much, because fine, you might lose those weight, but you might end up falling sick or something. So just be careful when you decide to do this egg diet. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a thumbs up to this video, and also subscribe to my YouTube channel because I'm posting videos every week. So leave a comment if you want me to be making more of these types of videos. And I also want to find out if you've tried the egg diet before, how was the result? Did you lose 1 kg every day? Or if you're going to jump on this egg diet plan. So let me know in the comment section. I hope to chat with you. Thank you for watching my video. And do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Subscribe, please.